tutorial we are going to find out excavation quantity of foundation. So for this I'll just go here in Excel first and I'll just create a table over here. So let me just merge these one first, okay, with this key merge and center, and I'll just write here a company name. What? Company name. And at this side I'll just go here, and at this side I'll just merge this one again, and we can just write here consultant name, okay, consultant name. Now you can just write your company name here and here your consultant name. So let me just give here PEMCON, okay, like this. And at bottom we have to just create a table. For example, in this case I'll just go with serial number first, then description, and then we have to just write here numbers, then length, okay, length in meter, we are just going to calculate in meters, okay, and then breadth or width, okay, this is also in meter. Again we have to just give here a depth because for excavation we need depth, okay, in meter again. And the next one is quantity, and the quantity of excavation will be in meter cube. What? Meter. And I'll go here in insert, and I'll just insert a symbol over here. So I'll go here in symbol option, and let me just insert this cube symbol, okay, this I'll just insert this one and I'll close this one again. Now this is quantity, and we have to just add one more column, that is total quantity, okay, total quantity, and it is also in meter cube. Now meter, and I'll go here in symbol option, and this is in meter cube, and let me just insert this one, I'll close this one. Now the next column will be regarding remarks, if you have any, okay, remarks. Now let me just unmerge this one first, okay, I'll go here, and I want to just move it a little bit like this, okay, and I'll just merge it again. Now I'll just adjust these columns. I'll just select all of this data from here, and I'll double click over here. Now let me just give a border over here. I'll just select this one, right click, I'll go here in format cell option, and from here I'll go in the border option, okay, this is the border option, and I'll just create a outline first, okay. So for this I'll just select this style, this one, I'll go here in outline option and I'll press OK. Now outline has been created. Now the next we have to just create a border over here. So again I'll go here, okay, like this. Let me just right click over here, format cell, in border, and I want to just choose this border. For example, we have different kind of borders over here. I want to choose this one, and outline inside, and I'll press OK. Now this one is also been created. Now let me just go again over here. I want to just select in format cell, and I want to choose it again, okay, outline, and I'll press OK. Now this is okay for me. Now let me just give a color over here. For example, I'll just go here and I want to choose this kind of color, okay. So I'll press OK, and at bottom I want to choose this again, okay, like this. Now our table has been created over here, and we have to just put here a data. So first we have to just give here a serial number like 1 2 3, and then we have to just give a description of a item. For example, right now we are going to find out the quantity of excavation, so I'll just write here excavation, and then numbers as number of foundation, for example, and then length, breadth, and the depth of the excavation. So let me just go here in drawing first, and I have to just check the detail from here, and the detail of this foundation is 1300 by 1300, in length 1300, in width 1300, okay, and the depth of the foundation is 850 millimeter. 150 plus 400 plus 300, that will make total of 850 millimeter, okay. So here you can see in excavation plan we have just all of these foundation as F1, so it's mean that the size of the foundation is equal. Now if in your case you have just different kind of foundations, for example F1, F2 and F3, so you have to just measure all of the foundations detail, and then you have to just calculate them separately. So in this case we have just all of the foundations same, so I'll just calculate one and I'll multiply it with total numbers. So I'll just go here in Excel sheet again, and I want to just start from here as serial number 1, description, excavation for F1. Okay, so I'll just write here excavation F1. Now the next one is numbers. So in this case we have to just give here a total numbers of foundations that belongs to F1. So in this case I have to just calculate over here. I'll just go here and you can see we have just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 foundations that are F1. It's mean that in size these all are same. So I'll just go here and I'll just write here 13. Now the next we have to just give here a length, and I have calculated the length, that is 1.3 meter. It's mean that 1300 millimeter, and in 1 meter we have 1000 millimeter. We can just convert it into meter. For example, we have 1300 millimeter divided by 1000 to convert it into meter. Okay, 1.3. Now next, the breadth is also same 1.3, and in depth we have 850 millimeter. You can see over here we have just depth over here. We can just check the depth from the section as I told you earlier. 150 plus 400 plus 300. So let me just go here, 150 plus 400 plus 300, so it will just make total of 850 millimeter, and we have to just divide it on 1000 to convert it into meter, that is 0.85 meter. So I'll just go here in Excel, and in depth we have 0.85 meter. Now we have to just find out the quantity in meter cube. So in this case we have to just multiply length into breadth into depth, multiply by total numbers. So I'll just go here equal to, I'll start the bracket, this is the number, multiply by length, multiply by breadth, multiply by depth. Okay, and I'll just close this one. So it will just give us total quantity over here, okay, for these foundations. So it is total of 18.6745. Let me just go here, and I want to put here a decimal place. So in this case I'll go here in numbers option, I'll select this one, 2 decimal, I'll press OK. So the total excavation that we need for this foundation, okay, this F1 foundation for this whole plan is 18.67 cubic meter. Okay, now in this column I'll just go here equal to, I'll just sum up all of the values. For example, in your case, if you have F1, F2, F3, F4 here, and you have to sum up all of the values over here like this, sum equal to sum, I'll just drag this all. Okay, I'll just select this range and I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. Now this is the total quantity over here. Now you can just add any of the remarks over here as well. Now let me just go here in a tab, and I want to just rename this one as excavation. Okay, what? Excavation like this. Now this is how we can just find out quantity of excavation. In next tutorial we'll just find out quantity of PCC. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.